Bato na yan, kurang. Okay lang ba yan? Good luck. Ang maganda.
Ang ball possession ay pupunta sa Big Boys agad. Pasa ngayon, jersey number 12, Pepeke. Pinasa kay Muscleman. Alcantara. Inside pass to Padillo. Wala pa. Rebound by Padillo Pigs. Titira ng dos. 2 points.
Big man.
Elihino ang may taka ng bola. Pass sa gitna, jersey number 18, titira ng dos, no good. Rebound by Alcantara to Padillo. Back to Alcantara.
Sino?
Yun.
Pass to Muscleman.
Mumutok.
Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound.
Yung si, ano?
Back to Padillo. Susubok ulit. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Wala pa rin. Rosales again with the rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Muscleman. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 19. Flores to Elihino. To jersey number 2. Ilumin to Flores. Back to Ilumin. 10 to shoot. To Elihino. Titira ng dos. No good. Rebound by Muscleman. Pass to Padillo. Maagaw dito ngayon. Ni Elihino. Jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 18. No good. Rebound by Alcantara. Pass to Rosales to Padillo for 2.
Walang laro
Salis.
mang pan. G-spot. Walang laro.
Ano to eh?
Ha?
Here comes Ilumin.
Walang laro yung G-spot.
Si,
G-spot.
Ilumin
Hindi ko alam.
to Flores.
Ay, Zelda.
10 to shoot.
No. Zelda.
Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Padillo. To Alcantara. Pababa ang bola para sa Young Dreamers.
Wala.
Alcantara. Nagaan lang mapapasaan to Muscleman. Susubok ng dos. 2 points. Muscleman.
Muscle.
Ilumin. 14 on the shot clock. Traveling violation.
Dua nga kasi na niya. Dua nga. Na. Tapos pag
To Flores. To Alcantara. Susubok sa tres. No good. Rebound by Flores.
block.
No good.
Block by James.
Rebound by Padillo. 10 on the shot clock. To Alcantara. Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound dito ngayon para sa Big Boys. So God, here comes Ilumin. Susubok sa tres. Basket. Foul on jersey number 14.
Tutat.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Patataw na mo.
Foul shot.
Patun siya tata. Pumapanata. Tapos 5. Talulaan.
To Soberano. To Hamdan. To Flores. 14 on the shot clock. Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Elihino. Nagmamadali. Ito rin si Hamdan nagmamadali. Elihino stops the layup. 2 points by Elihino. Soberano. To Hamdan.
Dan.
14 on the shot clock. To Soberano. Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound. To Elihino. Here comes Elihino. Elihino again. 2 points for Elihino. Official score 7-6. Isa ang kalamangan.
Sunggo.
To Hamdan. No good. Rebound by Alcantara for 2.
Aliok. Makalkag na, di ba?
Hmm?
Makalkag na.
Here comes Elihino.
Hindi ko alam.
Bakal ka na. Abot na yung
Aquino susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Padillo. Agaw ni Elihino. Elihino to Aquino. Mabibitawan. Back to Elihino. Pasas to Ilumin. Titira ng dos. 2 points. Ang ganda ng ball movement para sa Big Boys agad. To Alcantara. To Padillo.
Ate, wala si...
No good.
Wala po. Wala pa.
Rebound
Wala
by
pa.
Ilumin. No good. Rebound para kay Hamdan. To Alcantara.
Na-anim lang sila.
Alcantara stops. Fakes. Alcantara. No good.
6v6
Rebound
na.
by
Fighting
Elihino.
6 sila. Fighting 6 parehas.
Yung nagmamadali aatake. Drop pass. 2 points.
6v6.
4 minutes and 50 seconds. 10 to shoot. Flores to Alcantara. Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Aquino to Elihino. Nagmamadali Elihino aatake. No good. Rebound para kay Alcantara. Alcantara. Masusundutan. To Flores. Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Aquino. To Elumin. 4 minutes. Elumin. Papasa. No good. Rebound by Hamdan. Hamdan inside pass. Soberano for 2. Here comes Elihino. 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Uy, mutok pula ka itong pangalitang.
14 on the shot clock. To Flores. To Judson Brayton Pepeke. 10 to shoot. Timeout! Young Dreamers.
10-11. May samon kay ayam. Solo. Nay, dati nagkuhan, tiliw-ti manok.
Back to the ball game.
May ng manok.
Parehas,
Pan,
Pang
sislag
tinola ng bigat.
Sislag sa amin.
parehas 6.
6v6.
6v6 na.
Elihino susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Flores. Susubok ulit. No good. Rebound by
Lakas makasar ni
Hamdan.
Scorpiso.
Hamdan ngayon. To Padillo.
Dami.
14 on the shot clock.
Wala yung ganado
No
na
good.
No, wala yung ganado na pan.
Soberano again. 3 points by Soberano.
No, wala na yung ganado na pan. No, yung pan ay nagsara.
Ay, wala, referee yun.
Here comes si Lumin. Inside pass to Habonero. Tapi ka na pala. Mapupunta kay Padillo. Here comes Hamdan. Nagmamadali. Pass to Alcantara. Pass to Soberano for 2.
Time first.
Official score 15-11.
Black Mamba.
Apat ang kalamangan ng Young D. To Ilumin. Drives Ilumin.
Foul.
Black by James.
Who's foul rep? Foul on jersey number 9. First personal foul, second team foul. Basket. Here comes Hamdan. Pass to Alcantara. Open for three. Fakes. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2, Soberano. Pass to jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Padillo.
Napagod.
10 to shoot. Here comes Padillo. Back to Hamdan.
Training tapos.
5 to shoot. Soberano for 3. No good. Rebound.
Foul.
Foul on jersey number 2. First personal foul. First team foul.
May laro ngayon ng kwan? Ng prosecutor. Ha?
Pass to Soberano.
Ha?
To Hamdan. Back to Soberano. 10 on the shot clock. 3 points.
Amo.
Pang ilan na to?
Pangalawa.
First.
Pangalawa.
Official score 18-12. Here comes Ilomin. 14 on the shot clock.
Repas.
2 points.
Direct shoot. Direct pass.
Here comes La Guardia. 14 on the shot clock. To Soberano. To Padillo.
Chat, chat, chat.
Agaw. Last 1 minute. Here comes Elihino. To Ilomin. Drives. No good. Rebound by Padillo. Pass to Soberano. Pass to Alcantara. Alcantara to Hamdan. Susubok ng dos. No good. Rebound. Here comes Elihino. Elihino to Ilomin for 2. 30 seconds. $14 on the shot clock. 3
Na,
points.
umpisa na. Alcantara.
15 seconds. 10 seconds.
21-16 lamang ang Young D.
Dapat pinapainit pa yung
5 seconds.
$21-16 lamang ang Young D. End of first quarter.
Official score 21-16. 5-point lead para sa Young Dreamers. Kuwer ka doon, Steven. Dudong. Back to the action. Continuation of our first half. Second quarter. Young Dreamers ball.
Siya muna ako kumapasira yun. Ito na bibigatan. Ano yung dadalhin?
To Hamdan. To Alarte. To Alcantara.
paganingangat.
Babalik ka Alarte. Titira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Hamdan.
21-16
Pass to
lamang.
Flores. 2 points.
23-16 lamang ang
Awesome
Young D.
man with the 2 points.
At sila. Good yung
To Aquino.
No? Guryo ko na.
Here comes Ilumin. Ilumin na atake. Tapal. Here comes Alcantara. No good. Rebound by Padillo. Padillo, no good. Rebound by Alcantara for 2.
Sige. Sugmuran.
Ahead pass to Ilumin. Ilumin.
Ajing
Basket.
kayang mga yun. Ni Jordan. Kaya na.
Foul on jersey number 13.
Dunk.
First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for Ilumin. Jumpers already. No good. Alcantara to Flores. Here comes Elihino. Elihino drives the floater. In and out. Rebound by Flores. Here comes the young G. Flores to Padillo. 2 points for Padillo. Here comes Ilumin. Subok ngayon ng tres. No good. Aquino with a putback. Here comes Alcantara. Official score 27-20.
Brent.
Alcantara to Alarte. Susubok ng tres. 3 points for Alarte.
Brent.
Kapamilya nata.
Elihino to Ilumin.
Pagkapa. Ha?
Ikaw mo.
Pamilya dahil na.
Sino?
Yan eh. Ubeng.
Oo. Sinsin na.
Here comes Elihino. Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Alcantara. Ahead pass. Here comes Samdan. The layup no good. Rebound by Ilumin. Here comes Ilumin. Drives. Pass to Habonero. No good. Rebound by Habonero. No good pa rin. Rebound by Ilumin. 2 points.
Hindi ka na. Gana si Sardi.
Official score 30-22. Here comes Alcantara to Alarte. No good this time. Here comes Elihino. Two points. Here comes Alcantara. To Hamdan fakes. Back to Alarte. Alarte. 14 to shoot. To Alcantara. Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Habonero. To Elihino. Elihino may hawak ng bola. 14 on the shot clock. Elihino. 10 to shoot. Ilumin susubok ng tres. 3 points. 30-27. Here comes Flores. Crossover. 2 points. What a move para kay Flores ng Masonan.
Kamag-anak namin. Hindi, kapatid ko.
Here comes Ilumin. Ilumin. 14 on the shot clock. To Aquino. Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Padillo. To Flores. Flores. To Hamdan. Hamdan for 2.
Ano eh?
14 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Agaw. Here comes Flores. Pass to Hamdan. Hamdan for 2. Here comes Elihino. Pass to Aquino. No good. Rebound by Flores. Pass to Hamdan. Agaw ni Elihino. Here comes Elihino to Aquino. Aquino. No good. Rebound by Alcantara. Alcantara behind the back. Alcantara atake. 2 points for Alcantara. Official score 38-27. To Aquino. To Elihino. Susubok ng tres. No good. Rebound by Aquino. Susubok ng dos. No good. Rebound by Padillo. Maaagaw ni Aquino. 2 points. Kuha dito ngayon. Ni Ilumin. Ilumin. Atake Ilumin for 2. Agaw ulit. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Here comes Elihino. Drop pass to Aquino for 2. Timeout, Young Dreamers. Official score 38-33. Back to the ball game. Official score 38-33. 5 ang kalamangan para sa side ng Young team. Parehas na 7 ang players ng mga teams. Madami na. To Alarte. 14 on the shot clock. Alarte. 10 to shoot. Susubok na tres. No good. Rebound ay mapupunta kay Padillo. To Hamdan. 10 to shoot. Susubok na tres. No good. Rebound by jersey number 13. Elihino ang may tangan ng bola para sa big boys agad. Pass to jersey number 26. No good. Padillo. Tulog guardia. To Hamdan. 14 on the shot clock. To Padillo. Pepeke. 10 to shoot. Soberano fakes. No good. Rebound by Padillo. The put back for 2. Here comes Ilumin. Ilumin. Bumabingin yung tira.
Baka dangaw yan. Yung mabaho, pag ginawakan nyo.
Hamdan.
Laki dyan. Sinira, laki dyan.
Laki dyan.
Laki dyan. Sinira dyan.
To Alarte. 14 on the shot clock. Titira ng tres. No good. Rebound. Para sa side ng big boys agad. Pass to Elihino. Mabibitawan pa. Elihino. Atake Elihino. No good. Rebound by Soberano. Pass to Hamdan. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Pass to Alarte. The floater. No good. Rebound by jersey number 13. Pass to Elihino. Elihino. Atake Elihino. The layup is good.
Muscle mo. Muscle mo.
Sus, huwag mo nang lapitan.
Official score 40-35. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Young team.
Bay, kapag
14 on the shot clock. Padillo. To Soberano. To Alarte. 10 to shoot. Mabibitawan pa Alarte. No good.
Wala ka dyan.
Ikaw mag-ano dito, ako mag-ayos. Ako mag-ayos, ikaw mag-ano.
Laka dyan.
To Ilomin.
Ay, may Tagalog.
Uy,
Here comes Ilomin.
takpan mo.
Susubok ng DOS. 2 points.
Hindi nakita. Hindi nakita. Uy. Okay, ikaw, try mo.
Here comes Salarte.
Ala.
Last goal.
Ano nang galawin mo na? Ako na.
Ala.
To Hamdan. Hamdan. Inside pass to Alarte.
Ano
Alarte
nang galawin yan?
face. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Padillo. Timeout. Big boys agad.
40-37 lamang ang Young D. Second quarter.
Official score 40-37. Back to the ball game.
Tignan.
Jersey number 26 ang may taka ng bola. Kinagwardya ni Salagubang to Elehino. 14 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Pero ngayon titira ng DOS. No good. Rebound by Alcantara. 54 seconds remaining on the second quarter. Alcantara. Pasa sa gitna. Padillo, Pepeke. Mabibitapan ng bola.
Ma.
40 seconds.
Dali lang.
Susubok Andres. No good. Rebound by Ilumin. Drop pass to Jersey number 13 for 2.
Anong bili mo?
Here comes Jersey number 2 to Salagubang.
Magkano yun?
6.
Dalawa na. Tingnan mo dyan.
Salagubang. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Alcantara. The floater. No good. Rebound by Alcantara again. Agaw. 2 points.
Pakali ka na, boy.
And that's the end for our first half. Official score. 41-40. Lamang ng isa. Ang Big Boys agad.
40-41 lamang na po ang Big Boys sagad isa. 40-41.